Today we are going to study chapter 18, mensuration. In mensuration, we will find the area and perimeter of the some plane figure and area and volume of some solid shapes. Then we recall the some formulas of plane figure. First is triangle. Area equal to 1 by 2 b into h and perimeter equal to a plus b plus c. Second is rectangle. Area equal to A into B. Here A is the length and B is the breadth. And perimeter equal to 2 into A plus B. And third is a square. A square, four sides are equal. So a square area equal to A into A square. And perimeter equal to 4A. And fourth is parallelogram. In parallelogram, area equal to B into H. And perimeter equal to 2 into A plus B. Here perimeter of parallelogram and perimeter of rectangle are equal. This figure is circle. Area of circle equal to pi r square and perimeter equal to 2 pi r. Area of quadrilaterals and polygon. Area of trapezium. This figure is trapezium. Trapezium one pair of parallel sides here. Area of trapezium equal to area of triangle ADE plus area of rectangle EFCD. This is rectangle plus area of triangle CFD equal to area of this triangle equal to 1 by 2 b into h. B AE base and height DE equal to h plus area of rectangle equal to A into h. A base and this is height L into B and plus 1 by 2 C into h. C base and h height equal to 1 by 2 into h. Here h is common. B plus here A, then multiply by 2A, then become A. 2A plus C equal to 1 by 2 H. Here A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C and again 1A. Here 2A. 1A is here and 1A is here equal to 1 by 2 into H. AB. A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. AB plus CD. A equal to CD. Trapezium equal to 1 by 2 into sum of the parallel side into H. Area of a general quadrilateral. Here the figure of general quadrilateral. Area of the quadrilateral ABCD is a quadrilateral equal to area of the triangle ADC. Area of the triangle ADC plus area of the triangle ABC equal to AC equal to D. Let AC equal to D and DE equal to H1 and BF equal to H2. So the area of the triangle ADC equal to 1 by 2 AC into DE plus 1 by 2 AC into BF equal to 1 by 2 into D into H1 plus 1 by 2 D into H2 equal to 1 by 2 D is common and then in bracket H1 plus H2. Area of the rhombus. This figure is rhombus. Rhombus figure is all four sides are equal but diagonal bisect each other. Area of the rhombus equal to area of the triangle ACD plus area of the triangle ABC equal to 1 by 2 AC into OD plus 1 by 2 AC into OB equal to 1 by 2 into here AC is common AC into OD plus OB equal to 1 by 2 into AC into BD. OD plus OB equal to BD equal to 1 by 2 D1 into D2 where AC equal to D1 and BD equal to D2. Volume of the cuboid. In this figure is cuboid figure. Volume of the cuboid equal to length into breadth into height, where length is L, breadth is B, and height is H. Equal to length into breadth equal to क्या हो गया? Area of the base into height equal to L into B into H. Cubic unit. Volume of the cube. Here in cube, length, breadth, and height is equal. A unit. Then A into A into A equal to A cube, cubic unit. The cylinder equal to area of the base into height. Here base equal to circular, so area of the base equal to pi r square into h equal to pi r square h cubic unit. Surface area of the cube, cuboid and cylinder. First is surface area of the cuboid. Here this figure is cuboid figure. L, B, H. L, B or H equal to 2 into LB plus 2 into LH plus 2 into BH equal to 2 into in bracket LB plus LH plus BH square unit. Surface area of the cube. Surface, this figure is cube, equal to 2 into A into A plus A into A plus A into A equal to 2A square into 3 equal to 6A square unit. Curved surface area of a cylinder equal to 2 pi r into h equal to 2 pi r h square units. Total surface area of a cylinder equal to area of the rectangular piece. This part, area of the rectangular piece plus area of the two circular piece. First piece is here and second piece is here, circular part, equal to 2 pi r h plus 2 into pi r square. Pi r square, area of this portion and area of this portion, equal to 2 pi r in bracket h plus r square unit. Area of 4 walls equal to 2 into L plus B in bracket into H. Lateral surface area of the cuboid equal to 2 into L plus B into H. These two are equal. Lateral surface area of cube equal to 4 into length of an inch square. Solve exercise, solve questions are in PDF file. So refer to PDF file.